In this short video, I am going to show you how to install an MT4 Expert Advisor into your MT4 trading platform. On this page that you're seeing is an example of the EA that we are going to use. It's called the New York Trader. And this is the download page, and I want you to go ahead and download the New York Trader. By clicking on this, you will be able to download the New York Trader. Essentially, they are just two files for the New York Trader Expert Advisor. One is a .ex4 file and the other is a .dll file. Go ahead and copy both of these files. Copy it, and we're going to paste it into the right folders in your MT4 trading terminal. At your MT4 trading terminal, go ahead under File and click on Open Data Folder. After you have opened on Data Folder, I want you to look at this folder called MQL4. Go ahead and click on it, and with the two files, I want you to paste both files into Expert folder and into the Libraries folder. Once you have done that, go ahead and close your MT4 terminal, restart it. Now with your MT4 terminal restarted, you come and look under the Expert folder, and under the Expert folder there is the New York Trader _v2, and this is the file we are looking for. Go ahead, put this New York Trader v2, drag it onto the chart. Once there are a few things you need to do. One is you need to come under this common tab, and you want to click, you check on everything. Okay, allow live trading, allow DLL imports, allow import of external expert, allow modification of signal settings. And when you're there, under input, I would recommend that you stick to this default setting, which is for every $500 that you have in your account, it will trade with 0.01 lot. I think this is a decent setting, and I suggest that you stick to this. Okay, once this is done, go ahead and click OK. Once you click on OK, the EA will start authenticating for approval. And if it's already approved, like you have wrote in and I have responded to you, you will see that there is this smiling sign here with a lock. It means that the EA is functional. Do also sometimes check that this auto trading button here is turned on. Sometimes it's turned off and you get this frowning face, and it means the EA is not working yet. Okay, make sure this is also turned on. Okay, with this is just a simple video to show you how to install a MetaTrader 4 Expert Advisor on your trading terminal using the New York Trader as an example. So with this, I hope that it's easy for you to install. I want to end this video now. Anything, just write into us so that we can help you.